Is my child often coming to me whenever he is in trouble? How did I resolve the issue? How did I react to him? Am I being non judgmental? Is he ready to come back to me whenever he feels uncomfortable? When was the last time your child came to you with his problems? Children come to us with their issues not because they want advice. That is their secondary need, an intellectual need. But what is a primary need? Primary need of the child is to listen to him, make him feel at ease, comfortable. Though we feel that his issues are irrelevant or something very silly, we need to address to him in such a way that we are being trustworthy, making them feel that we are non judgmental and we are there to understand them. Are we the counselors to our children? We need to ask certain questions to ourselves to gauge whether we are in the right track. Is my child often coming to me whenever he is in trouble? How did I resolve the issue? How did I react to him? Am I being non judgmental? Is he ready to come back to me whenever he feels uncomfortable? These are the questions we need to ask ourselves. Let me tell you what are the qualities of a counselor. Be patient and a good listener. Listen to them first. Allah has given us 2 ears and one mouth to listen more and speak less. Number two, make them feel comfortable, make them feel at ease. Never overreact. Number three, don't be judgmental. Do not call him by abusive names or try to tell him that you are a liar or you are a sinner or you've always been like this. This is going to harm his identity. Another quality is to feel pain, to feel the pain of the child. Empathize with whatever he has been facing through. Try to make him feel that there is someone who can feel my pain, who can understand my pain. I can trust this person. And lastly, make sure that he will come back to you whenever he feels uncomfortable. If you are liking these videos, do share it with your friends so that everyone can get the benefit.